Numbers are everywhere when you travel. From buying a souvenir to confirming your hotel reservation, they appear in important moments. Let's look at 3 common situations: shopping, dates, and phone numbers, so you can feel confident anywhere. Imagine walking into a store to buy a gift. You see something interesting. What do?
How much does this bear cost?
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
Here's $25.
What payment methods do you accept?
Cash and card?
Great, I will pay with a credit card then.
All right. Here you go.
Thank you very much. See you next time. Oh, and how much is this pair of pants?
It's $30.50.
Do you have it in another colour?
Sure. We also have it in black and denim blue.
Okay, I'll take the black one.
Practice asking for prices and confirming payments to feel more comfortable with questions involving numbers.
Hello, I'd like to book a room in your hotel.
Understanding dates can save you from scheduling mistakes. Let's say you're booking a tour.
I would like to book a hotel room for July 15th, please.
Of course. We have availability for a standard room.
What is the rate per night?
$150 per night.
All right, please book it from July 15th to July 18th.
To confirm the booking, I'll need your name and phone number.
James, 555-1234-552.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed.
Thank you. Can I check in earlier on that day?
We'll do our best, but early check-in depends on availability.
If I arrive before the check-in time, can I wait in the lobby?
Of course, that's no problem at all.
Knowing how to say and understand dates makes organising your plans much easier. Sharing and understanding phone numbers can be essential during a trip. Let's imagine you're calling a taxi service.
Taxi! Taxi! Taxi!
Hello? I'd like to call a taxi, please.
Sure. Can I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234-567.
Can you repeat your phone number, please?
Of course, it's 555-1234-567.
Thank you. The driver will call you when they arrive.
What's the license plate number of the car that will pick me up?
1 moment, please. Okay, the taxi is 1A23B.
All right. Can you let the driver know I'm already waiting at the scheduled location?
Sure. Have a good afternoon.
Oh, one more question. Can I call this number anytime?
Yes, we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay, thank you.
Practice repeating numbers and asking for clarification whenever necessary. Now that we've covered how to use numbers in real-life situations, let's simulate dialogues. This will make it easier to remember these situations. Practice your dialogue with us, where you see you. Read it out loud as many times as you need. When you can read it at the right pace, you're improving. Now let's practice.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt? What payment methods do you accept? Great, I will pay with a credit card then. Thank you very much. See you next time. Oh, and how much is this pair of pants? Do you have it in another colour? Okay, I'll take the black one.
Of course. We have availability for a standard room. $150 per night. To confirm the booking, I'll need your name and phone number. Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. We'll do our best, but early check-in depends on availability. Of course, that's no problem at all.
Now your mission is to leave a comment on this video and rewatch it as many times as needed to solidify the concepts you've learned. There's a video right above that takes a different approach to help you improve your dialogues even further. Check it out.